Good morning or good afternoon whenever you are watching this video. Today is Thursday, May the 7th, 2020. So I hope you guys are doing well this morning. Today we're going to review something else. Today we are going to review addition. So let's get started and see what we remember about addition. I'm going to share my screen. All right, so today's addition, and then tomorrow we'll do subtraction. But you got to figure out, how do we know it's addition? How do we know it's addition? How do we know it's add or put together? Because what sign do we see? Right here in the middle is our plus sign. So our plus sign means what? Put together. Or it means add. I'm going to circle our plus signs because we are putting them together. All right, so we did a little bit of this the other day. So since we're putting them together, how many do we need to draw first? 2, that's right. 1, 2. And then we're putting it together with how many more circles? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now we need to figure out how many is all together. So I'm going to circle them to show you that we're counting all of them all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Awesome. So right here we still have our plus sign. So that means we're putting it together. Good job. All right. Let's draw our circles. So make sure you show your work, because that's how I know what you're thinking. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, what's this number? 2. So 4 plus 2. 1, 2. All right, now we're counting them all together to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 circles all together. All right, now we still have our plus sign, so that means put together. Oh. How many do we need to draw first? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many? 8, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we need to count them all together. One thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to circle a 10. We did that just recently. So I know that I made 10, and then we're going to see if there's any left over. So let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have 10. So let's circle our 10. And how many's left over? That's right, 1. So our number is going to be 10 and 1. What's that number? The regular way? 11. Great job. So that is one way that you can break it apart so that you can find the answer a little bit quicker. You can circle your 10, and then how many is left over is what we've been working on. 10 and 1. Awesome. All right, now, what do we do with the 0? What do we do with the 0? Let's see what we can review. So whenever we are adding with 0, we get that's right, the same number. If I only have one water bottle and my friend doesn't give me any, how many water bottles do I have? I still have one. If I have 2 water bottles and then I don't get any more, how many do I have? 2. Good. All right, so let's add with 0. Okay. All right. How many is right here? 1 plus 0. So how many do we have? 1. 0 plus 7. How many do we have? 7. That's right. 11 plus 0. We didn't add anything to 11. What number do we still have? 11. What about 19 plus 0? You're right. It's still 19. Okay. 25 plus 0. 25. This one is 67 plus 0. Ooh, that's a big number. How many do we still have? 67. That's right. What about 75 plus 0? Still 75 because we didn't add anything to it or take anything away. 100 plus 0. How many do we have? We still have 100. What about this number? This is 237 plus 0. How many do we still have? We still have 237. My marker froze. There we go. All right. Ooh, this is a big number too. 876 plus 0. How many do we still have? 876. All right. Now, this number is 505 plus 0. How many do we have? 505. All right, this number is 1,234 plus 0. How many do we have? We still have 1,234 because we didn't add anything to it. Great job, leaders. So remember, when we're adding with 0, it's the same, we get the same number because we didn't add anything or take away anything. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so now we're going to do some spicy ones, okay? Oh, this one has 20. Oh, what's this sign right here? Plus, that's right. You can't really see it. Let me try it again. Plus 0. So how many do we have? 20, that's right. We still have 20. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so this one is 6 plus 15. Okay, equals what? Okay, so this time, it may take a while if we draw all those circles, right? Yeah, it might take a little while. But we do know how to break this down the say 10 way. So let's go ahead and break that down the say 10 way before we put it together. So this is, right in here is what? 10 and 5. Good. So this is 10 and 5. So we worked on that last week. So we know that 15 is 10 and 5. Awesome. So now we are ready to put it together. All right, so here's our plus sign. Okay, so we have 10 and 5 plus 6. So one thing that we could do, we could put together the 6 and the 5 first, because those numbers are a little bit smaller, right? Yeah, let's do that. So right here, how many circles do we need to draw? 6, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, how many? 5. We're gonna use that small number. We're gonna add it to that small number. 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's count what we have so far, and then we're gonna add that other 10, or other 10 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's circle those 10s, that one group of 10. Okay, we have 10 and 1 left over. So now let's add our other 10. Because we added our 6 and our 5, and now we need to add this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and so we're going to circle our 10. Okay, so how many 10s do we have now? We have 2 10s. Very good. 1 10, 2 10s. So we know 2 10s looks like this. This is our 2 10s. And then how many is left over? 1. So that will go right here. Awesome. So 6 plus 15 equals 21. But we broke it down into smaller steps that are easier to see those big numbers. So this is just one way you could have done it. I'm going to show you another way on the next one. Good job, guys. All right, so this one is 7 plus 12. This time we are going to count on. Okay, so we're going to count on from this little number or the biggest number? The biggest number. Okay, so put 12 in your brain. And then on our fingers, we're going to count, we're going to add how many more? 7. We're going to add 7 more. Okay, ready? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we added 7 more and we got to what number? 19. That's the number that we stopped on because we counted on. Awesome. So 7 plus 12 equals 19. Okay. Let's see if there's another spicy one. Okay, here's another spicy one. This is 15 or 10/5 plus 2. So I'm going to do it again how we broke it down and we drew our circles. Okay, so let me get a different color. So 15 is what? 10 and 5. Okay, and then plus, so that means put together, 2. Okay, so just like we did last time, let's add our small numbers together first and then add it to our big number. So our small number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here's the 5 right here. We're going to do 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 1, 2. So let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 ones. So what would 10 and 7 be? 10 and 7. Okay, we can put our 10s here. So 10 and 7, and that number is 17. Because we added our 7, our small numbers, to our 10. 17. Or if you counted on, you would go 15, 16, 17. Did we get 17? We did. We got 17 both ways. Awesome job, leaders. All right. So this is going to be your homework. We're going to do the first one together because I just want to show you guys that make sure you show your work. So you guys we've been working really hard on addition and subtraction all year. And so this one, it just looks a little different, right? Because this one is vertical, right? Okay, so I still want to see your work and make sure that you're always looking at this sign. So this is a what? A plus sign. It means put together. So how many are we putting together? How many is here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus how many? 2. Good. So plus 2. Now, since it's plus, that means we're putting it all together. So count how many you drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So you guys are going to do the rest all by yourself. And I can't wait to see your homework. So you guys keep working hard. Keep getting those points, because a lot of you are really close to your goals. I want you guys to get those gift cards, but you got to turn your work and you got to send it to your teachers. Remember, videos get you extra points. All right, I love you guys. See you tomorrow.